Hi, I'm Belle.
I'm Nuri.
And this is Sadie. And this is our Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase highest roof. Let's go look inside. So this is our shoe cabinet that can be accessed from the outside and inside just in case it gets a little muddy. This is our isotherm super big mini fridge. We love it because we can store food in it for at least a few weeks. We have a lot of storage. We utilize every single bit of space. This is our overhead storage. We have a cabinet here. All along here we're storing our food and kitchen supplies. We have our cabinets on these gas struts to keep them open and little tongue and groove to keep it closed. This is our induction stove. It runs off of solar and electric. We don't have to worry about propane and buying propane all the time. We love our skylight because it lets in a lot of light and air. Our max air fan in the back helps to circulate air through the whole van. Probably the most unique thing about this van conversion is the giant screen here that's attached to the van, and it's on a swivel so it can be moved around any part of the van. And that is because Nuri is an artist and his job is to draw on this tablet, so it needed to be a focal point in the van. Here we have our closet. We just have drawers, and then this is where Nuri's computer is. So we have a full bathroom with shower and a compostable Nature's Head toilet. We can also close the water runs into a 33-gallon gray water tank, which is underneath the van. Bedroom slash dining room slash whatever you want it to be. We can easily sit 5 people in this U shape. The table is on a swivel lagoon. You can move around and it can drop down in the middle, and these cushions come in the middle to create a full-size bed. On the roof we have 2 solar panels that total around 600 watts of power. So in the back of our van we also have a lot more storage. Under here is where we have our 40-gallon freshwater tank that we can fill right here. We also have an outdoor shower. We have lots of storage under here, our inverters back there, and our batteries are underneath. The best thing about the back of the van is definitely our pull-out table, or sit on it as a seat. Thanks for coming to our van tour.